America reacts to the Deutsche Bundeswehr Schwere Maschinengewehr. Let's take a look. Willkommen. My name is Sean Huggins and this is React with Hugs. Let's hop straight into today's reaction.
Das Schwere Maschinengewehr der Bundeswehr, auch bekannt als M2 Browning. Entwickelt vor über 100 Jahren und seit Bestehen der Bundeswehr
Whoa, developed for over 100 years.
im Einsatz,
Wow.
leistet das schwere Maschinengewehr
Dude, look at the
heute noch
size of
seinen
this
Dienst.
thing.
Es kann entweder manuell bedient oder aus dem Inneren eines Fahrzeugs ferngesteuert werden.
What? Dude, that's some next level stuff right there. Imagine you're controlling that thing from inside the vehicle? Dad, look at this. Wow.
Mit dem Kaliber 12,7 x 99 mm kommt das MG auf eine Kampfentfernung
Bro, dude, those things are like freaking massive.
von 1500 Metern. Es wiegt ungeladen 38 Kilogramm und
So this thing can shoot 1.5 kilometers? What?
hat eine Kadenz von 635 Schuss pro Minute.
Wow. Dude, look at it mounted on the back of the helicopter. That is so badass looking. Holy crap.
Zum Schutz von Luftfahrzeugen benutzt die Bundeswehr das leistungsstärkere Browning M3M.
Oh.
Dieses hat eine Feuergeschwindigkeit von 1100 Schuss pro Minute.
Dang. Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. That's crazy. Look at that thing. Dude, I can't believe this thing was developed 100 years ago and it's still being used today and still like as badass as ever today. Not even just like in use. It's crazy badass. Plus the bigger one shoots 1,100 rounds per minute. I mean, that's actually I can't even wrap my head around that. That would be so insane to experience. But I'll turn the question over to you guys. What do you think of this little piece of technology? I don't know what to think of it other than hopefully I'm always behind it. Let me know your thoughts though. Leave your mustard down in the comments section below. At any rate though, that's all the time that I have for today. Thank you guys so much for being here, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.